What's up guys, Lucas here from Fishing and Freediving in Ireland. Today I will try to use this mask for the first time. It's a Picasso GoPro mask I got for my birthday from Risa. I didn't use it before, so I think today might be the day. See it at the top?
Yeah.
So this is it. You see how it's burning? This is the silicone burning out. One and the second one.
Smells funny.
See how it's burning? Sometimes you have to do it a few times.
And why you burn that?
This is silicone inside. It will be very foggy if you don't remove that casing, so I'm just gonna do the middle anyway. Next thing you could do, you could probably use toothpaste to clean inside of the mask as well. That's supposed to help as well. But we're not gonna do it now. We'll see will that work. So this mask, I'm just gonna clean the inside of it and it should be good to go. Obviously just put the camera on first. So that's how the mask looks like with the camera.